Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin. In this video, we're going to talk about YouTube for small business, how you can use it and why you should use it to generate traffic and sales into your business. Coming up. All right, before we dive in, I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. My name's Kevin. I'm a father. I'm married. Have a house. I like to promote online. I believe in online businesses, and I think it's a great place to grow an audience, to build a business. It's possible. It's the way the future is going. And if you're not on the business, if you're not building a business online and you're not building influence, you're essentially dead in the water because of automation and the way the market is going. You need data, you need resources, you need a following. So if you want to see my number one make money online business opportunity, I'll leave it in the description. It'll be the first link down there. Check that out, and we'll dive into the content today. So if you're a small business, you might have set up a YouTube channel and you're not getting any traffic, or you're thinking about doing it, or you just need a refresher on a few things. So I'm going to dive into it real quick. So in this video, we're going to cover, let me shrink this down. I am not the best with these types of screenshot videos, but we'll start here. So YouTube for small businesses, click on this link. I'm actually going to draw something in my hand. So you got a business. Oh, hold on a second. That's on the eraser. My bad. So this is your little business, either brick and mortar, whatever it is. You got the windows, you have to pay the rent and whatnot, but you want to get people in there, so you started a YouTube channel over here. This is your little header, and these are your videos, and you want to get people from there to here, but you don't necessarily know how to do it. You've posted something out there and it's not really working. Well, there's a few fundamental things you need to do in order to get people from your YouTube channel into here and turn it into money, or turn it into leads, or turn it into a charity, whatever you're using this for. All right, so the first thing you need to do is know why you're using it. Channel fundamentals, certain things we're going to go over in this video. SEO is something you're going to need to know some basics of, and calls to actions. Essentially, I just did that by referring you to my link in the description below, but we'll get more into that later. So let's go over the first thing. Why YouTube? Well, it's the second largest search engine on the internet, and it's owned by Google. So it's number 2, owned by the number 1. It ranks in Google. It has great shareability. You can share it on all your social media. You can actually blast it out to your emails, and you can also send it in a text message. You can send it out to all your friends. There is a community to it with likes and dislikes, and in the bottom of every video, there is a comment section that maybe you didn't know about, and you should be engaging in that. So if you haven't used the comment section, go down there right now and write comment, and I will reply to you. Let's see, what else is the other things? Paid advertisement. The paid advertisement system comes in twofold. They use Google Ads, and there are 2 types. It's the pre-roll, which you've probably seen whenever you watch a video, is a video pops up in front of your video or in the middle of your video. Those are called pre-roll ads. Those are great for getting attention to another website like your business to generate leads. And then there's also discoverability, which discoverability is taking your little icon or link to your video and mixing it into someone else's feed or on the suggested spot on the right side of the page. And whenever someone clicks on that and watches your video, you would pay for that, especially pay for pay to play. That's great for building your audience, not so much in building your business off the site, but that's what that would be for. But also, it's free, and everyone likes free. Moving right along, channel fundamentals. We're going to go over some hands-on things that you need to go over: name, description, channel tags, the branding box, channel art, social media. Let's see. So we'll jump back onto my channel here. First off, there's their name. when you pull up your channel from your desktop, wherever you're logged in, you should be able to edit anything. In the upper right, you could click on that edit box to change your, let's see, your channel art. You'd log in. You'd also edit your links. We'll click on edit links right now, just so you can see it. I might use some jump cuts in case there's lag, all right? So right here, you can put your business inquiry emails. Down here, your location, and all the links to all your social media. So this is great when someone pops onto your channel and checks you out, they can go check out your social media and get a hold of you that way. Also, up here in the description, you're going to want to fill this out. A couple sentences on what your channel is about, what your business is about. You're going to want to do that for searchability to help the search engines rank your channel and give you suggestions. Let's see, let's go back. All right, so right there. There's also your name. You can click on your name, and there's also another section, I believe, if it's here. Oh yeah, you can change your icon on your Google account, and under your Google account is where you're going to actually change the name of your YouTube channel. Okay, back to the PowerPoint. Name, channel description, channel tags, branding box, channel art. Now there's two different things going on with YouTube in regards to the back office. They have this new thing called Creator Studio that's changing. So some stuff may change, but the fundamentals of what you're going to be changing are going to be the same, but where it looks like on the website may change depending on when you're seeing this. On the left, you're going to go to settings. And here you can change your currency depending on what country you're in, your basic defaults, the channel itself. You can access your Google account to change the name and your keywords to your channel. This helps populate where you're going to show up in search engines regarding your channel search and anything related to your channel. You got to get this in there. You probably overlooked it. Let's see. Advanced, you can set up your Google Ads account if you want to start doing pay-to-play stuff. You don't have to do it right now. Let's see what else. There's also branding. This is a key. You notice if I look over here, because everything's reversed, I'm looking to the left and it's whatever. You're seeing this little box says subscribe, right? Hover your mouse over that, click on it, and it's going to say subscribe. That is another subconscious thing that you can set to pop up and play out through your whole video to help get people to subscribe to your account. And you don't have to put a subscribe box. That's just my preference. You can put your own logo there, anything that fits into this. You can have it play the entire video or start at a custom time depending on where you want. There's also upload defaults. When you're uploading a new video, if there's certain things that you want to show up in every video, you can put that here, like most recent uploads, most popular uploads, a program that you're possibly promoting, or a disclaimer because you have affiliate sites. You can put all that here. There's also extra tags that you'd want to have associated to every video if you want to do that, and then your standard licensing and the category that you're in. Let's see, there's community. When you get to a certain point, you get more selections of here, and then other settings is just going to bring you back to the classic setting of Creator Studio, not Creator Studio, but the back office. Okay, so let's close that out. Okay, so we've covered channel art, social media, tags, description, name. You need all these to link back to your business and to get ranked and help people find you in those search engines. If you're making cupcakes, that's your business, you want to have cupcake as a keyword. I mean, that would make sense. If you don't have that, how are they going to find you? If you put pizza in there and they're looking for cupcakes, you're not going to show up for cupcakes. All right, let's go on. Now, taking SEO, search engine optimization, to the next level, I'm going to pull up a video to give you an example of these 3 things that you need. Actually, I should make this 4 right now. Can I add that? I should have added this. I didn't think of this. Tags. Sorry about that. You're going to need tags too. So let's pop back onto my channel here. We'll go into my back office. Let's say we'll use this most recent, sell on Facebook Market. Let's see. Can we click on that? No. Let's use something from, let's use a different video. Go to videos. You see your whole list of videos here. Let's do target date funds. We'll click on that video. Okay, so in here, I've got a good tag. Tags are something you need to consider. I'll cover in a different video, so make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, and click all so you can get all the videos when they come out. A good thumbnail is very important, because if you don't have a good thumbnail, you wouldn't click on it. That's probably the reason you clicked on this video. So the title, you need something that relates to your video that's searchable, that'll show up in rank, and you want to also repeat your title somewhere in the description down here, or at least a variant of it, especially in the first 2 sentences. And also you're going to want to put hashtags in here. A hashtag is very simple. It's just, let's say hashtag 401k. Let's say hashtag YouTuber. So what this will do when I save it is, when that video pops up in search, it can now show up under any of those hashtags where anyone's searching it. And if someone else is using that hashtag in their video and they click on that, I'll show up there, and vice versa. If you click on YouTuber on my video, you'll go to that list of YouTuber hashtag videos. Okay, so we covered hashtags, we covered the description, we covered the title, and I'll give you tools in another video on how to help you find all this stuff. But let's move along to the last part of SEO, which is tags. You can see that this video is ranking for 401k advisor number 14. That's great. So anything that's related to 401k advisor, it pops up. You want to have your title as a tag. It's called a long form tag when you do like a sentence. Let's say, our target date funds good. That's a long form tag. A short form would be like 401k advisor, or just 401k or advisor. You want a combination of all 3 of these. And the more you distill it down, the more niche it is, the more likely you're likely to rank until you have a larger following. When you have a larger following, you get a lot of engagement to your videos right away. That'll help them push up the ranks. But now you need to be very specific to your business in possibly your local area. That covers those 3 topics. The last one you need is a call to action. CTAs, they call it. This can be a verbal or a pop-up. What I mean by a verbal is, I made a recommendation to you at the beginning of the video to check out my #1 make money online business opportunity. First link in the description below. That is a call to action. Also, if you enjoy this content today, smash the like button, and again, hit that subscribe button. That is a call to action. You can do something as simple as pointing to the bottom of the screen and verbally calling it out. If you're not comfortable doing that, we can also have one of these things pop up. No, over there. There. We'll have one of those pop up. That is another form of call to action. It's driving someone to do something. And what you want to do is, we'll jump back to the description here, is in the description, you want to put a link to what your offer is. Let's say, for an example, I was promoting Bloom in this. So get started with Bloom. If someone clicks on my link, they go and sign up, I'll get a referral commission for that. In your case, let's say you were making cupcakes and you wanted people to go to your store or to contact you or to get a free newsletter, you would say, check out my free newsletter in the description below, where you can stay up to date on all of our new products and seasonal changes that are coming out in our sales. And why don't you come on in, give your address, come check out the store and say hi to me in person. That's a call to action. You need to be doing this in your videos. Now, if in your video If you're not doing the talking, you're not comfortable doing the talking, you can use one of these again to let it do the talking for you. So if you're like a media company or an aerial media company, I have a friend that has a channel right now. I'll leave a link in the description below. Where he's not in the videos, but you can use call to actions to help drive stuff to your channel to help generate you leads for your business. And another tip for your descriptions is you want to, in those cases, we'll use the cupcake shop again, you want to try to rank for your local area because you're trying to get people to come in locally. Not, if you're in Boston, it's great to have people in California signing up because brand awareness, but it'd really be good to have people in the surrounding city in Boston and Cambridge and Somerville knowing about your cupcake shop. All right, smash that like button if this was helpful, and make sure you tune in to get more content. I mentioned several things that I'm going to do videos on, so stick with me, and I'll see you next time.